Welcome to Nley'S self-study. In the last video, Quadratic Equation Part 3, I have explained questions related with numbers and ages. And in this video, I'll explain the important types of question which always comes for the exam, that is distance, time, speed, work, time, etc. Speed of boat in still water is 15 km per hour. It can go 30 km upstream and return downstream to the original point in 4 hours and 30 minutes. Find the speed of the stream. So here they have given you the speed of the boat, and they also say that it can go 30 km upstream and return downstream to the original point. That means the distance travel will be the same, and it took 4 hours and 30 minutes, and we have to find the speed of the stream. So we can take the speed of the stream as x km per hour. Then speed of the boat in still water is 15 km per hour, that is given in the question. So speed of the boat upstream. So the river will be flowing down, or the stream will be flowing down, and the boat is going up. So that is why we are taking 15 minus x, because the speed of the boat is 15 and the river is flowing down with the speed of x km per hour. So the resultant speed will be 15 minus x. So this is the case of upstream. Now what happens for the speed of a boat downstream? You know that the river will be flowing down and the boat also coming towards the same direction, that is downward direction. So we can add both. So 15 plus x kilometer per hour. So this is the case with downstream. Now they have given in the question that together it took 4 hours and 30 minutes. So here what we have to do is 30 minutes we have to convert into hour. 30 means 30 by 60. So it will be 1 by 2 or half an hour. And so the total time taken will be 4.5 hours. So we will do one thing. We'll frame an equation for the time. We know that time is equal to distance by speed. So what will happen in the first case, that is when you consider the upstream case, we can write as distance is 30 km and the speed upstream is 15 minus x. Now what about downstream? Downstream the speed is distance is 30 and the speed is 15 plus x, and the time taken for both upstream and downstream is equal to 4.5. Now we as usual we have to take the LCM, or we can just cross multiply and find out the value. That is 30 into 15 plus x plus 30 into 15 minus x divided by 15 minus x into 15 plus x equal to 9 by 2. This is same like 1 by a plus 1 by b. Just cross multiply. Okay. So this is equal to 1 into b is b plus 1 into a is a divided by a into b. Same like that. And that is equal to 9 by 2. Now we can open the bracket. 30 into 15 is 450. Then plus 30 into x is 30x. Plus 30 into 15 is 450. Minus 30 into x is 30x divided by denominator. We can say it is like a minus b into a plus b, which is a square minus b square. So 15 square is 225 minus x square, and that is equal to 9 by 2. So in the numerator, 30x and the minus 30x will get cancelled, and 450 plus 450 will become 900 divided by 225 minus x square equal to 9 by 2. Now just cross multiply. 900 into 2 equal to 9 into 225 minus x square. Now take 9 to left side. So 900 into 2 by 9 equal to 225 minus x square. So that we can cancel this 9 and 900. So you will get 100. So 100 into 2 will become 200, and that is equal to 225 minus x square. So what is minus x square? That will be equal to 200 minus 225. Now we can cancel this negative sign from both sides. So x square equal to 25, and when you take the square root of 25, we will get plus or minus 5. And we know that the time can't be negative, so we can take the positive value, and therefore the speed of the stream is 5 km per hour. So the next question is, two pipes running together can fill a cistern in 3 and 1 by 13 minutes. If one pipe takes 3 minutes more than the other to fill it, then find the time in which each pipe would fill the cistern. So let the faster pipe takes x minute to fill the cistern. So in 1 minute it can fill 1 by x part of the cistern. So in 3 and 1 by 13 minute it can fill 40 by 13x. And the slower pipe takes 3 minutes more. That means x plus 3 minutes. So it can fill in 1 minute 1 by x plus 3 portion of the cistern. And in 3 and 1 by 13 minute it can fill 40 by 13 into 1 by x plus 3. And together it will take 3 and 1 by 13 minute. So 40 by 13x plus 40 by 13 into x plus 3 equal to 1, because it will be full by adding those two. So 40 by 13 is a common factor. So inside the bracket we will get 1 by x plus 1 by x plus 3. Now cross multiply with the terms inside the bracket. So 40 by 13 into 1 into x plus 3 is x plus 3 plus 1 into x is x divided by x into x plus 3, and that is equal to 1. Now numerator we have 2x plus 3. So 40 into 2x plus 3, and take all the terms in the denominator to the right hand side. So you will get 13 into x plus 3. So that will become 13 into x square plus 3x. Now just open the bracket. 40 into 2x is 80x. Then plus 40 into 3 is 120, equal to 13 into x square is 13x square plus 13 into 3x is 39x. Now bring all the term to one side and equate to 0. So 13x square plus 39x minus 80x minus 120 equal to 0. And minus 80x plus 39x will give you minus 41x. By splitting the middle term, or you can use quadratic formula method to find the value of x. So here I have done splitting the middle term. So instead of going for quadratic formula, here we can see minus 41 can be written as minus 65 plus 24. So that if you take the first two terms, we can find 13x as a common factor, and inside the bracket you will get x minus 5. And from the third and the fourth term, we can find 24 as common factor. So you will get 24 into x minus 5 equal to 0. So x minus 5 is a common factor in both the terms. So x minus 5 is taken outside, and the remaining terms outside the bracket is x and plus 24. Okay. So the second term is x plus 24 equal to 0. So x minus 5 equal to 0, or x equal to minus 24. And the time taken you cannot take as negative. So we will take the time taken as positive value, that is 5. So faster pipe takes 5 minutes to fill the cistern. So what about the slower pipe? It will take 3 minutes more, that is 8 minutes to fill the cistern. Thank you for watching my channel Nley'S Self-Study. I'll be right back with another video on relations and function. Bye-bye.